The second product on our list is the Presto 02910. If you're looking for an electric cheese grater, shredder, and salad shooter that boasts a range of excellent features, the Presto 02910 is a brilliant choice. We love how its automatic electric pump massively simplifies the whole process. Meanwhile, its unique design allows you to add ingredients one after the other without the need for cleaning, thus accelerating food prep and streamlining your experience. The slicing and shredding are easy, fast, and convenient, while the interchangeable cones means you can do more than grating. This is an incredibly quick and easy way to slice and shred cheese, fruits, vegetables, and more. Even better, you can simply point and shoot the grated produce right where you want it. That means there are no extra bowls to clean. You can make salads, soups, pizzas, tacos, desserts, and more in no time at all. Moreover, the interchangeable slicing and shredding cones slip right in for slicing and shredding vegetables, grating chocolate, chopping nuts, and making bread and cracker crumbs quickly and neatly. We also love that there are no complicated parts to assemble, and that the motor base wipes clean easily, while all other parts are dishwasher safe. Lastly, it's compact for easy storage, so it will fit almost anywhere, even in a drawer for extra convenience. Its pros are, it is straightforward to operate, it is very fast, and it's easy to store. However, it is pretty loud. The Presto 02910 is a great device to have in any home kitchen as it saves you a lot of effort. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market.